2, 1. Sleep now. Be ready to death. Be ready to the front. The front, okay? Be ready to the front.
Sige, naka-ready. Nag-engage na?
Nag-engage siya.
Sige lang.
5 seconds IC ulit, 5 seconds. Ready na, ready.
Yo, engage southwest, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice kill.
Fuck, bro.
Cycle.
Mababasag na, 10%.
Sige lang. Hold northeast. Go northeast. Hold lang dyan. Hold lang.
Kahit pumasok sila, mamamatay sila.
Sige lang. Yo, inch up.
Sige lang, defensive. Okay.
Counter ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter na.
Nabok.
Sige lang. Get inside. Yo, one healer, focus on me, okay?
Yeah, I'm focusing on you.
Sige lang, let them in.
Justice ba yung setter?
Pareho, against Earth Room.
Ready IC, ready.
Ready, lad.
Sige lang. Left.
Nag-engage.
Counter ready in 5, 4, southeast 3, 2, 1. Counter na. Nice kill.
Nice kill, guys.
Oo,
Kill
sarap
kill.
mag-loot.
Loot please!
I looted.
Kailangan nag-loot ako dito.
Tell me if you're ready again.
Ready, lad, ready.
Okay, lumabas. Mukhang naramdaman nila ang sakit.
Yo, go northeast tower.
Holding sila, holding.
Yung DPS nila parang southeast side ng tower. Southeast
Sige lang.
side ng tower.
Yo, engaging northeast ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast now, hit this one. Nice kill.
Yan, teka lang, lulot lang ako.
Looking.
Sige lang, huwag niyo ako lalahanin. Hayaan mo sila, engage ka sa akin. 3 buwan boy, bukas mo pa ako mapapatay.
Tell me if you're ready again.
Still 90s, ano yan? Still 90s.
Ready na IC, ready.
Teka,
Yo,
reloading.
same position, ready in 5. Wait, never mind. Baba kayo dyan.
Lumalayo sa wall. Oh, pa-southwest,
Napalabas tayo
pa-southwest.
ng mga yan ha.
Sige lang, hold lang.
Kapalag naman open world eh.
Inch up a bit.
Sige, magpapabait ako sa engage nila.
Blood northeast! Blood
Yo,
northeast!
get inside.
Alam natin yan, pag lumabas
Scavenger na tayan.
Hindi sa rin nila.
Yo, mantap.
No, never say never.
I never say never. Kaya to.
Sige lang, hold muna tayo sa gitna.
Bobo naman isa eh. Etong never say never yung problema.
Sige lang, dismount here.
Kahit din sila, kahit.
We still
Okay,
have the
kailangan ko na
gate here,
mag-OC,
bro.
dalawa na
Yeah,
kalaban
the
natin.
gate here.
Down nag-OC dun eh.
Yo, come, follow me, follow your clan.
Go southwest.
Never say
lang,
never.
Creed International papuntang southeast side ng castle.
Never say never. What the?
Just wait.
Magsasalubong sila kung
Umalis
tutuloy
na,
yung
umalis na.
ano, Creed. Hindi.
Southwest.
Follow me.
Never say never, yung never say never nagdadalawang isip. Ay, nag-dismounted, never say never. Dismounted na si
Follow me.
si Piawa yung caller la, Piawa. Naka-Earth Throne 6-3.
Going na.
Papasok ka dito.
Hold.
Offensive na ako dito, mahilig sa headbutt yan, gagong yan eh.
Sige lang.
Sa si Tite, ang bait ng Mark ni Tite. Bait
Kaya lang IC, wait lang ah.
large. Okay na.
Yo, def.
Gago!
Yo, ready. Southeast.
Focus ko yan.
4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now.
Layo.
Umalis kayo sa wall.
Stay away from the ball.
Kill the party, someone.
What the fuck?
Wala
Tell me if you're ready again.
Ready.
Ready.
Northeast gate, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast gate now.
Headbutt sila. Bilang.
Shaper.
Wala pa naman akong GE.
Namatay yung tank natin.
Ready, isa lang.
Stick to the wall.
Si Rafael namatay.
Wala tayong blight. Hindi, nag-gamp sila.
Kanina pa yung namatay sila.
Ready, ready.
I see yung Creed, second gate na yung Creed dito.
Kamas. Unahin natin itong mga to.
One shot ako boy.
You ready? Putang ina na itong mga to.
Iwan lang talaga tayo niyan.
Ready. Engaging on the J now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage now. Heal me.
Wala tayong offensive guard room.
Ako, offensive niyo boy ako. Shadow dip na siya.
Cycle.
Ready IC, ready ulit.
Basta patingin lang ng is.
Binabasag nila yung suicide.
Sige lang.
Binabasag
You
nila yung
ready?
suicide.
English.
Over the wall. Wait. Left. Yo, follow me. Yo, engaging west side ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage west now.
Both second gate and suicide bomb already.
Sige lang.
O, papangko sila sa gitna. Di ako pwede
Hindi
dito.
na tumuloy yung suicide. Hindi na tumuloy suicide.
Di nila tinuloy, pinasok nila yung second gate.
Sige lang.
Overdoor.
Yo, cut. Yo, ready after DJ, ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this one now.
Ang laki niya, no?
Oh my god. Cycle. Ito gagawin natin. Focus tayo sa one side. Bonk na yung west side.
Southwest.
Bonk na yung west side. Tell me if you're ready.
3 seconds.
6 seconds.
Focus tayo. Focus tayo dito. Lalabas tayo. Labas kayo dyan.
Ready sila to engage.
Push out.
Click nyo na to.
Walk in.
Gago boy, patay sila sa unan.
Walk in na guys. Walk in guys.
Shaper boy, walang nakatingin doon.
Walk in.
Pawis na kasi kami.
Pawes na, ayaw nyo makinig kay kay
Lalabas
Isi.
na kami, lalabas na kami.
You look southwest. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Putang inang fire niyan. Sige lang, walk lang. Keep walking lang.
Mag-engage.
Left. Patay si Argit. Sige lang, pahil.
Puta kung ako pala looter nyo, paldo.
Labas tayo. Tell me if you're ready again.
Pwede tayo dumaan sa east side, may ikutan natin sila, di tayo maipit.
Kamis. Stay away from the walls.
Alis lang sa wall.
Kamis. Stay away from the walls. Away from the walls, guys. Away from the walls.
Nakain ako.
Hinahabol ka, dalawa na yan.
Sige lang, kamis.
Tutulong ko si Adam.
Mount up those that can.
Sige lang. Buhay pa si Adam.
Mount up.
10-5, we can ready.
Nakuha ko spike ni Sonan, Realmbreaker ni Argit.
Guys, if we're playing castle, always stick to the walls. Always stick to the walls. Okay, stick to the walls so that they don't get clumped by whatever it is that they're using to
Tinap
clump.
ko yung southwest wall kasi may bomba sila, which work bomb.
Come northeast.
Sinabi na ni Ice na i-click, papunta na kayo doon. Wala, ang tagal niyo boy pumunta
Ang tagal
talaga,
niyo
maabutan
pumunta.
kayo. Kasi nandun ako sa likod nyo, alam ko mag-i-engage yun eh. Wala akong magawa kasi kung i-ko kayo, patay pa rin kayo doon sa Shaper. Ayaw talaga di kayo nabubuhay.
Ang sakit boy.
Parang mas maganda pa mag-enigmatic.
Wala na
Wala
to.
yung talo yan.
Wala tayong numbers.